welcome to the Spark Racer. Today we are going to learn about the gravitation part 4. So now let us go to the thrust and pressure. It is a net force acting on an object perpendicular to its surface is called as the thrust, and the normal force per unit area is called pressure. Thrust is a force acting on the body perpendicular to its surface area, and the thrust exerted on the sand is the weight of the person. The effect of thrust depends on the area on which it acts. Since thrust is a force, its SI unit is also same as that of the force, so that is the Newton N. Pressure. The thrust of quantity area is called pressure. Pressure is denoted by the thrust by area, and the pressure is a scalar quantity, and the SI unit of pressure is N by m square or N Newton by meter square. And also in this, now we are going to see the illustration 1. When we fix a poster on a bulletin board, we press a drawing pin by applying a force with our thumb on the surface area of its head. The force is directed normal to the surface area of the board and acts on a smaller area. So this is the illustration 1. And the Nm square is also given a specific name as Pascal, also as the PA. And this is in the honor of the scientist Blaise Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to the 1 Newton meter square, or 1 PA is equal to 1 N by m square. Also, some non-SI unit of pressure that are commonly used are bar and torr. And in this, actually 1 PA is equal to 7.5 into 10 raised to negative 3 torr, or 1 torr is equal to 133.33 PA. And also pressure depends upon the thrust and the area of contact in the following manner. What are the manners? Pressure is directly proportional to the thrust more than the thrust. Actually, more is the pressure and vice versa if the area of contact is constant. And also the pressure is inversely proportional to the area of contact. That is, smaller is the area of contact, larger is the pressure, and vice versa if the thrust is also constant. And some examples are cutting edges of the knives are sharp, pins and nails have pointed edges, and also the broad handles provided in the bags and suitcase. So first example, the cutting edges of knives are sharp. When we cut fruits or vegetables with knife, we push the knife normally into them. Pressure is inversely proportional to the area of contact. Sharper the edge of a knife, more is the pressure it exerts on the vegetable. Also to the broad handles provided. Actually, for that, due to the broad size of handle, the area of contact increases, which reduces the pressure increased or the exerted by the weight of the bag or the suitcase. And also the density and relative density. Density is given by mass by volume, or D is equal to m by V, where D is density, m is the mass, and V is volume. And it is different for different substances. SI unit. The SI unit of density is kg by meter cube. Also it is known as the gram by centimeter cube when written in the different units. Density of a body depends upon two cases. The first one is the mass of a body at constant volume, that is D directly proportional to m. That is, as the mass increases, density of substance increases for the constant volume. That is why the iron ball is heavier than the plastic ball. Also the second one, the volume of body for constant mass. That is, D is directly proportional to 1 by V. As volume increases, density of substance decreases for constant mass. And as the volume increases, as we told, like the density of substance decreases, the relative density is related to this, as the density of substance by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. And the fact is that the orbital speed, that is VO, is equal to root gm by r plus h. Here V is the orbit speed of the satellite, r is radius of planet, h is the height above the surface of the planet. And also, as I told earlier, check out the description. And also, I know that only some percentage of you guys are subscribed watching. So if you like my content, please subscribe to our channel. And also thank you, and it is signing off from you, the Spark Racer. Until the next part.